Students, how are you? Welcome to your English class. Open your book, Oxford Progressive English, page number 18. Here we are with Unit 3, Lesson 1, Cooking It Up. Lesson 1 is Listen and Speak. Exercise A is Listen to your teacher and circle the correct word. First of all, dear students, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? What is this scary creature? Who is this scary woman? Oh, is she a ghost? Look at her nose, it's very big. Can you make a guess? Oh, she is a witch. She is Hilda, a witch. She has a long, crooked nose and she wears a big black hat. There is a wand in her hand. It is a magical wand. And I think she is cooking something. It is her cooking pot and she is cooking something stew and she is putting a spider in her pot. Oh my god, look at this. This frog is jumping out of the pot. The frog doesn't want to be her dish. Look at this. It's a castle. It means she lives in a castle. Castle is a place where kings and noblemen lived. In old times, it was a place for protection or for defense. Castle is built with strong big walls that cannot be destroyed easily. So, dear students, she is a witch and she lives in a castle and she do magic tricks with her wand. Do you know any magic tricks? And she rides a broomstick. You must saw in cartoons or movies. ब्रूमस्टिक का मतलब है ये जो विच है, विच यानी डायन, ये झाड़ू पे उड़ती है, ये झाड़ू पे सफ़र करती है और ये झाड़ू पे बैठ के हवा में उड़ती है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं इसकी लंबी सी नाक है और इसके छोटे बाल हैं और इसने एक ब्लैक कलर की हैट पहनी हुई है, उस पे स्टार्स बने हुए हैं और ये स्ट्यू है, एक डिश है जो ये पका रही है और ये एक कैसल यानी एक महल में रहती है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. This is exercise A. Listen to your teacher and circle the correct word. Now you have to listen to me carefully. I will read the sentences and you have to encircle the correct word. For example, I am reading Hilda is a witch. Now from these three words you have to encircle the word witch. Okay? For other example, she lives in a. I am reading without pointing my pencil. She lives in a house. Now you have to encircle where is house written. There are three words: flat, castle, house. Now I will read all the sentence. Complete sentence. You have to encircle the correct word. So in this sentence number 1, house is a correct word. You have to encircle this word like this. Now come to the sentence number 2. She is wearing a tall black, green, red hat. Now correct encircle the correct word. Sentence number 3. There are moons, suns, stars on her head. Now encircle the correct words. What are in the hat? What do you see in a black hat? What are these? These are stars. Now encircle the stars. Sentence number 4 is she has a long neck, nose, eye. Number 5. Her hair is short, long, curly. Number 6. She can do magic tricks, smell, spells with her wand. What she do with her wand? Wand means the stick, magical sticks. Number 7. She is cooking a stew in her pot, jug, mug. What is she is cooking? She is cooking a stew in her jug, mug or pot. Now you have to encircle the correct words and you have to show me how you have encircled and send me the picture. Dear students, come to the exercise B. With your friend, ask and answer question about the which. What is exercise? Ask and answer question about the which. Here are the questions given. We have to answer these questions. Here is given example. Where does the witch live? Answer is she lives in a castle. Okay. So question number 1 is what is she cooking? She is cooking a stew. What? A stew. Okay. I have given answers of these 2 questions. Dear students, it is your homework to write down the answers of questions from 2, 3, 4, 5. You have write down these answers along with these questions and send me the picture. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll be back with another interesting lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.